Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial and thanks for joining me today if it's your first time visiting this channel. Okay, so today I'll be guiding you through a relatively brief and easy tutorial aimed at showing you how to link your Facebook and Instagram business accounts together. Now today guys, I'll also share valuable tips on how you can make the most of social media marketing to essentially streamline and grow your business faster by connecting both Facebook and Instagram together. Now, the idea of this is to reduce time by simply sharing posts directly from Instagram to Facebook without going through the hassle of creating individual posts for each platform. This also allows you to manage both platforms in one place. Okay guys, now just quickly before we go ahead and get started with this tutorial, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and tools to grow your small business online. And with that happy note, let's go ahead and connect Facebook and Instagram together. Okay guys, so there's actually two ways that we can connect Facebook and Instagram together. The first way is through Instagram. So we're going to show you how to do this on our mobile device. Okay, so next to my beautiful girlfriend, you can see Instagram. So we're going to click here and then you'll notice your Instagram appear. So this is an Instagram account we created for the purpose of this tutorial. All you need to do is click the three lines and then come down and click settings. Once you're on settings, navigate down to business. And once you've selected business, all we need to do is come down to connect or create. And this is where we have the option to either create a new Facebook business page or connect an existing business page. Now, if you don't already have a Facebook business page, then I suggest you watch the tutorial up above, which we're going to link, and that's going to take you to a step-by-step beginner's tutorial on how to create a Facebook business page on your computer, because it's a lot harder to try and create a business page through your mobile device. Now, what we're going to do is quickly go ahead and connect Facebook business page. And as you can see, we have a list of our business pages that we can connect to our Instagram account. So what you want to do is make sure you select the right business page that appears here. Now, if you can't find your business page here, then that will mean one of two things. Either your phone is not already logged into your Facebook account where you created your business page, or someone else has created a business page and you're not quite the admin. So you need the individual that created the business page to make you admin so that it appears on the screen here. So make sure you're admin on your business page and make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your phone. So now what we're going to do is show you the second way to connect Facebook and Instagram together, and this is going to be through Facebook's interface. So what we want to do is head over to our computer and jump into our Facebook business page. Okay, so from your Facebook business page, all we need to do is navigate down to settings. Then just navigate down the left hand side until you find Instagram. And here you'll see the option to connect your Facebook business page to your Instagram account. So all you need to do is click connect account. And then all you need to do to connect your accounts together is to sign in with your Instagram account. Okay, so now with those simple methods covered, what we want to do is show you some valuable tips that you can take on board when it comes to utilizing the connection between Instagram and Facebook. So what we're going to do is navigate back to Facebook and then just head back to your business page. And then just navigate down to inbox. And then here within your inbox, this is where you can manage communication on both Instagram and Facebook. So this is where you can deal with customers. You can come down here and you can add labels to particular customers. You can create a new label. For example, you could add new customer, important, or today's date. You can create as many labels as you like. And then you can also view comments on Facebook, Instagram, and you can create automated responses. So you can manage both platforms within your Facebook business page. And this is ultimately going to save you time when managing both accounts. Okay, so now last thing, what we want to do is head back to our mobile device and show you how to actually go ahead and create posts on Instagram or stories and then link those to your Facebook business page. Okay, so again, we're going to jump onto our Instagram account. So we're going to go ahead and click Instagram. Then what we want to do is click the plus sign up above, and then we can either choose feed post or story. So first off, we're going to go feed post. And then just for an example and maybe showing off slightly, this is a big fish I caught the other weekend, I'm going to select this image and then I can go ahead and edit this image with the options available, but I'm happy with that and I'm going to click next. Then here I can add a caption if I like. I recommend you adding a caption. However, now what I want to do is where it says Facebook and Cindio next to it, I can click on, and what this does is it allows me to share this Instagram post on my Facebook business page. So I can go ahead and continue with that. Now what I want to do is head back to my profile and show you how you can actually share a story directly onto your Facebook business page by clicking story. And then what we can do is go ahead and capture a story if we like, and then simply navigate down to send to, and then under sharing options you have the option to share to Facebook every time or share once. So as I've just demonstrated, you can see that it's extremely easy to connect both Instagram and Facebook together and then share posts from Instagram, it could be a post or a story, and share that directly to your Facebook business page. It's very straightforward to set up this important connection between Facebook and Instagram. And there we have it, guys. That is it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you managed to successfully connect Instagram and Facebook together. Now this should save you a lot of time, you and your business a lot of time, when engaging in social media marketing. Now if you have any questions about this video, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you got value. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.